Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to convert a draw.io diagram to a PDF file. Exporting to PDF makes it easy to share, print, or present your diagram professionally. First, open the diagram you want to convert in draw.io, then go to the top left corner and click on File. From here, click on Export As, and then click on PDF. If your diagram has multiple pages, you can choose to export all the pages. Look at the layout options, which are Page View, Crop, and Fit Page View. Fit Page View is selected by default, but it often adds too much empty space, so for a cleaner result, choose Fit or Crop. You can also adjust border width or zoom level if needed. If you want to show grids or shadows or add a transparent background, toggle those options on before exporting. Before exporting, make sure to toggle on Include a copy of my diagram. Then click on Export, and you will be asked where to save your file. Choose any location, rename the file if you want, and then click Save. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to name the PDF and choose where to save it. Rename your file and click Save. And that's it. We exported a diagram from draw.io as a PDF, adjusted layout settings for a clean fit, and saved the file for sharing or printing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.